Hi, Danny with the Woolery, back for another year of fiber gifts. So we're gonna have 12 of these guys, but this is the first one. So let's, as normally, see what is inside my box. Ta-da! So what we have in here are a bunch of really cute things. Hold on, let me gather them. He's so cute. So we have quite a lot of things going on here. So as you may have been able to tell, this is a needle felting kit. It comes with instructions and all that jazz to be able to make 6 of these little guys. These are all the different ones that you can make. So, you know, if you want to make these little guys, this is perfect for you. Let's look at the kit itself. This is in this lovely box. It has everything that you need inside. All included, including nice color instructions. You can even flip through those if you want, but everything inside as well. Foam for you, which is really nice. So yeah, that's what this guy is. We just love how these came out, especially the Santa Claus. He's so cute. So if you want that, that's going to be going up for sale on October 15th. It's going to be 15% off, 15/15. So if you want to grab these guys, make these little guys, then that is the day to do it. So cute. Christmas tree. Reindeer.